What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to. Damn it! Today I'm gonna show you how to, teleport on Pokemon Go. Step 1: Play Store. Step 2: FLY space GPS. FLY space GPS. Fucking damn phone. It's on this one. Next, Pokemon Go. Wait. Settings. Other way down. But even though I'm all the way up, developer options. Set back location. Fly GPS. Pokemon Go. There will be no cookies in my house. No. Do not drive by playing Pokemon Go. I can't drive. Oh, there ain't shit over here. Not a damn thing. Home. Fly GPS. I'd become a legendary Super Saiyan and yell, Burger. Step, whatever, I forgot what was on. Press this. GPS service run. Fix location mode. Do not press this one. Press this one. Pokemon Go. It also gives you a joystick. Oh, by the way, if you do try to hack it in this way, sometimes it will make the Pokemon get free and it will do something else. Like it won't do the stop thing. But it will sometimes. Okay, let's see if I do it right now. Yay! I want you right now. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Oh, I'm too fast for you. I'm too fast for you. Team Forster Soda. Yo, mama so fat. Well, it does that sometimes. And that, well, hold on. 60 double. Make sure to follow my Instagram. My Instagram's name is Casper Space Brown 2003, and this is my profile picture. I know it ain't a lot because I barely get on it. So this ain't a lot. By the way, Jugmazi originators of the dab. And bitch, please, I am the definition of swag, because I am. That looks gay. Gay. And don't forget to hurry the fuck up. Hurry the fuck up. You're going? Yeah. On my Snapchat too. Add me on Snapchat. It is Casper Brown 2000. No, Casper Brown. And you look at that. It's Casper Space Brown. And then, she said something like Casper Brown or Casper 14. Something like that. And that is it for my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and that is it. I'm a drop on this for you guys. Goodbye. Drop it. Oh, I forget. That is it. Bye.